So, you bought a new house and you're probably wondering, what now? Well, here's the tea. I'm Danielle and this is Fresh Keys. The truth is, there are always unexpected expenses when you own a home, even if the house is brand new. Whether it's landscaping, decorating, or adding your personal touch, or even plumbing and other maintenance issues, they all cost money. And they are all now your responsibility. So, put aside a little emergency fund that can help you cover the cost of those unexpected expenses like a broken pipe or a leaky faucet. There's always a big temptation, you see, to spend money when you buy a new house. Please resist it if you can. Don't run up any debt buying all new furniture or drain your savings account for a cosmetic remodel. You can save up for those things over time. Doing them all at once when you buy your home can leave you strapped for cash if other expenses come up. Finally, say these two words with me, please. Property taxes. I was a good year and odd in when I heard my co-workers comparing property taxes when I had a realization that I had never paid. This is due annually and you can check tax administration's website to see how much you are to pay. These reminders aside, congrats on your new home. Enjoy the benefits that come with being a homeowner and look out for the pitfalls. And if you need more guidance on your home ownership journey, reach out to us on all our socials or call us at 888-CALL-NHT. Or you can visit our website at nht.gov.jm for more information. Thanks so much for joining us on this journey. And remember, always keep it fresh.